every truckload of flour that goes out, there should be at least one dose of cancer meds. As a biochemist, and I look at a flour mill, I see something different than a flour miller would see by looking at a baking ingredient, something that's going to become a loaf of bread. I always felt like there was something more valuable within that seed than just the flour or the animal feed.
The goal of the wheat program is to develop a new platform technology to take the whole grain wheat and pull out that active wheat germ component and put the instructions through that active part so it will just start producing a drug for us. We can make this ourselves because we have a lot of wheat. We have the ability to make this extract, and if that's all we need, we now have a much shorter supply chain that we can ensure helps patients in the US.
ARPA-H's mission for not just doing science for the sake of science, but taking on risky bets that have big payouts and potential, that's going to open up greater outcomes for people.